Today I am focusing on long division method. In this topic only, the question is divide PU is equal to U cube plus 3U square minus 12U plus 4 by GU, and GU is equal to U minus 2. Long dividend method is nothing. It is a simply division, but in a case of polynomials, now the dividend or division, they are taken in case of your U variable or X variable. So now in solution, first please you write PU, polynomial in U. Generally what we do, the questions are given in X only, but here PU is equal to U cube plus 3U square minus 12U and plus 4 is given. It's given. And GU equal to U minus 2. So by long division method, this is GU, say divide PU. This is the meaning. So now equal to, now say GU is U minus 2 and PU is U cube plus 3U square minus 12U and plus 4. Fine, sir? Now we have U minus 2. Means the first term of your binomial, if we look, so now we have only U raised to the power 1 and U cube we want. So for finding this, if we will multiply by U square to U, then it can come U cube. Plus plus is plus, and again by the second term of this binomial, we'll multiply it with U square, so it will become minus 2U square. Fine. So now on subtraction, you have to change the sign. So minus plus will be minus, minus will be plus. Now you will leave this one sign. So U cube and U cube will be cancelled. Now after leaving this former sign, you have the plus sign. So 3U square plus 2U square is equal to, now it is also plus. It is also plus. And the same quantity will be written here. Now plus 4. If it is plus 5U square, we have U, we want to bring 5U square, means in a question we will multiply by 5U with respect to this U, and it will become 5U square plus plus is plus. Again this amount will be just multiply with the second term of your this U minus 2, which is minus 2, so now it's minus 10U. Plus minus ka minus, now so again on subtraction it will be changed, plus will be changed into negative and negative will be plus. Now it is cancelled. So now you please leave this one. Now this sign will work, then minus 12U will subtract this plus 10U. So now it's 2U, and please you write down it similarly. Now if it's minus, so we'll put in a question now minus sign and 2U's are now minus 2U, because it is your requirement according to the question or remainder. Now minus minus is it's plus. Now this is again by changing the sign. Now this is the remainder. So means in this question U minus 2 was already given to you. U minus 2 was given. It means, you know, if remainder is coming 0 means U minus 2 is a factor of now U cube plus 3U square minus 12U and plus 4. ये मतलब इस क्वेश्चन का बनता है. लास्ट में अगर somebody will ask you that कि आपने क्या मिला आपको, इससे क्या तो आपको क्वेश्चन यहाँ पे सिर्फ उसने क्वेश्चन में रिमाइंडर बोला था, तो रिमाइंडर अगर आपका 0 आ रहा है, इसी में मैं समझाना चाह रहा हूँ, तो अगर रिमाइंडर आपका 0 आ जाता है, इसका मतलब इससे आप इसको डिवाइड कर रहे हैं, तो ये इसका एक फैक्टर हो गया। इज इट क्लियर सर? प्लीज डू इट सर। One more question I am again taking for this long division method. Now the question is, divide px is equal to 2x cube minus 11x square plus 19x minus 10 by gx. This question was given in u series, the variable is u. Here now it is given in x, यानी कि polynomial in x. And now gx में भी आपको ये इज इक्वल टू gx इज इक्वल टू 2x माइनस 5, देन फाइंड क्वेश्चन एंड रिलीव। तो नाउ सॉल्यूशन जब आप करेंगे, अगेन यू विल राइट px पॉलिनोमियल इन x, नाउ 2x क्यूब प्लस माइनस 11x स्क्वायर, नाउ प्लस 19x माइनस, नाउ दिस इज 10, and gx is equal to now 2x minus 5, ये देखिए both are given. So by long division method, when we are solving, so remainder may come 0 or remainder may come either in a positive or negative integers. It will decide later on while we will divide the given polynomial by the another polynomial. So now please, now gx is, इसको आप ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं, now देखो this is px over gx, ये देखिए equal to 2x cube minus 11x square plus 19x minus 10 over c, ये 2x minus 5. This is the complete detail. और अगर आप इसको थोड़ा सा और आगे जो हमने लास्ट टर्न पे किया है, अगर उसमें जाएं, इसका एक और रीजन निकलता है कि if px is divided by qx and the remainder is coming 0, so it is called the factor theorem. लेकिन अभी हम सिर्फ इसमें फोकस कर रहे हैं, तो नाउ देखो दिस इज, तो 2x minus 5 से now you have to divide this 2x cube minus 11x square plus 19x and minus 10. You have 2x minus 5, and in this expression the first term is 2x cube. So now we have to bring this 2x cube. So by what variable, what number we multiply to bring the same number below this one. So our requirement will be 2x square, x square 2s are 2x cube. Fine sir, plus plus is plus and plus minus is 5x square is 5x square. See on subtraction, now it's minus and now it's plus. देखिए alternate values will be now cancel. Now there is no response for this while you have changed this one. So minus 11x square will subtract this plus 5x square, you will get minus 6x square. Ultimately the last two terms you please write down behind this. Now if here it is the remainder, so now if here now minus is there, so you'll put the minus sign in the question. Now we have to bring minus 6x square. It means if 3x will multiply with this 2x square, to plus minus is minus, 2 3s are 6 and x are 8. Fine. So now again with the second term it will be multiplied, minus minus is plus, 3 5s are, it's now minus minus it's 15x. On subtraction it will be cancelled. So now there is no importance of this. So now 19 will subtract minus 15, so ultimately the sign will come of the bigger one. So now it's 4x and minus 10. If it is plus, so now we'll keep here plus, and 2 2s are is 4x Plus plus is plus and plus minus are minus, and now after changing the sign, the alternate sign will be changed by using this on subtraction. So your remainder is coming 0. It means according to your question, now question is equal to x square minus 3x plus 2 and remainder is equal to 0. आप सिंपल सी बात इसको लॉजिकली ये समझ लीजिए कि px is like a parents and this dx is like a children. If children are completely obeying the laws, the terms and conditions, or they are following their parents, सारी चीजें आप फॉलो कर रहे हैं, इसका मतलब you are the factor of your true parents. Clear, sir? Please. One more question. Again, I am telling to you by this long division method. So in solution, now you see polynomial in x is equal to now x cube minus 3x square plus 4x minus 12 is given. And gx equal to now x minus 3 is given. So by long division method we have to solve. In this question only he is saying please divide. It means in the question he has not asked for question and remainder, but still question and remainder both are needed to find out. तो इसका मतलब वो आपको निकालना ही निकालना है, ये याद रखिएगा. So now it means long division method means px is divided by gx. ये देखिए, तो now x cube minus 3x square plus 4x minus 12 by आपका this is x minus. ये मतलब समझा. Fine. So now see, x minus 3 is dividing polynomial x is x cube minus 3x square plus 4x and minus 12. We want ultimately x cube while we have only x. So if any variable, required variable will multiply with this one, so it should be or it becomes to be x cube. So my requirement is x square. X square x are now the x cube. It was plus plus plus. So now ultimately with the second one term of your binomial multiply with the x square, it will become 3x square. Sure? Now see. On subtraction, now the it's plus and it's minus and it's plus the minus. No importance of this one. So now it's minus is plus. In one slot, x cube and 3x square are cancelled. In some question it may be. Now ultimately the rest amount in the question we have this plus 4x and minus 12. We want this. We want 4x earlier and we have x. So ultimately now by which value we will multiply with this x to bring this 4x. So now plus 4. 4x are plus 4x and plus minus is 4 3s are now 12. It's a minus and plus. It means quotient is equal to now this is x square plus 4 and remainder is equal to now 0. If remainder is coming 0, it means that completely this gx is dividing this x cube minus 3x square plus 4x minus 12 with this px now means is a factor of this one. Is a factor of this one. Sure, sir? Please.